Hey viewers, welcome back. Last time we finished the schematic and today we are moving on the PCB layout. So let's start. First we need to select a grid and set the X and Y coordinate to 0 and 0. It helps keep the design aligned and makes routing easier and cleaner. You can make the PCB in square shape. Oh, sorry, we need to select the edge cut layer. Now you can make the PCB in square shape, and you can also make the PCB in circular shape. Even you can give the PCB your own custom shape. See the 3D view of our custom shape PCB. Delete, all delete. Now I will choose the square shape for this PCB. Just select all components and press M key to move and R to rotate. These two shortcuts are the most important for the PCB layout, M and R. Now it's your turn. The final look of the PCB depends on your own artistic sense. As an engineer, you are also an artist and the PCB is your canvas. So design it in your own style. This is the something an engineer once told me. I really love this line. It's one of my favorite. My layout is complete. Now I will select the circular shape tool and create 4 holes. These are important for mounting the PCB. Next, select the wire tool and start routing the track. For the routing on the upper side, select the top layer. For the lower side, select the bottom layer. You can select all the layer from the right hand side. Any tools or layer, everything. After finishing the routing, run DRC just like we run ERC check in the schematic. Here we need to run a DRC check. There are no errors and my PCB routing is complete. Here's the 3D view and the final look of our PCB design. You can add the text on the PCB like a label or names. And you can adjust the layer and size here. Select the F silk screen layer for the text. Here the final look of this PCB, and that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you want to know anything. Bye.